So I want to talk to you about this Rode microphone. This is a fantastic microphone. I actually love this microphone. I've been using it for a while. It is the VideoMic Pro series in your Rode microphone. So I love the quality. It has all the adjustments back here, as you can see here. It has the on and off button. It has the shotgun microphone and also the wide. And also it has a gain decibel. So minus 10, 0, and plus 20, especially if you're using those DSLRs, you need that plus 20 to use this. I love the shock mount on it. It works great. And a lot of people ask questions, how do you change the battery in this thing? Well, all you have to do is this front button here, this little nozzle, just push this up, forward, and there's your battery compartment right here. It's 9-volt battery, powers it, just like you see here, and that's all you have to do. Really simple to do and to change. Pop it back in, and that's all you have to do. So it's super simple to install, super simple to change, and the battery lasts actually years. So it's really, it's a great microphone. I absolutely love it. It's small and compact. It's got a great shock mount on it, and I love the quality. It's got a cold shoe right here, and this is a fantastic item. I absolutely highly recommend this shotgun microphone.